This is a mid-2000s Emerson Tommy Bahama ceiling fan. The model name is Paradise Key, and it is in the brown slash distressed bronze finish with amber glass. I got this fan new in box from my lighting showroom where I work. It is Grand Rapids Lighting Center. If you're in the area of Grand Rapids, Michigan, be sure to go there for all your lighting and fan needs, because it's the biggest showroom in Michigan and also the best. But anyways, I got this one for free because it was defective. Apparently the motor ran super hot, but I didn't find an issue. So it's perfectly functional for me. And here is the box. Tommy Bahama commissioned Emerson to make a line of fans for them, and this was probably their most popular model. And the remote control that came with it is probably the funniest remote ever because it's in this wood grain finish, but it's made by Emerson too. But right now the uplight's on. I have some LED bulbs in there. There it is. I can dim it. Now it's getting brighter. That's the brightest it gets. But it's a really nice fan. So we'll start this fan on low speed. There we go. I'm not sure why it didn't respond. It uses the Emerson K55XL motor, 52-inch blade span with a 16-degree blade pitch. The housing is actually real wood, which is pretty interesting. It's probably the newest wood housing fan made. It's very high quality with some very heavy blade brackets. I think they are cast. On low speed, it's totally silent. Now going to medium. Did it respond? I think the battery is going bad in this remote. Yeah, it's medium right now. I installed this fan a few weeks ago, and the fan responded fine. But I guess the battery's going out. It has these big blades, which means it's not a super good air mover, but it's still a really high quality fan. The top of the housing is actually glass for the uplight. And now high speed. It hums a little bit on high, which is surprising because it has a flywheel. But these Emerson K55XL motors aren't as good as the actual K55s. It's a really good air mover too. And now off. There's the logo. It's real wood. Oops. There's the top. Ignore my messy wiring. Spin down time should be pretty fast because it has these big blades. They're actually not that heavy, but they are very high quality. Oops. My floor is too messy right now. I really need to clean it up. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.